Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the faceplate over on your DualSense controller, your PlayStation 5 controller. You might want to do this because you might have cracked this one here, or you can get these in various different colours and it really can change the look of the controller. To take it out, it's easy to do. We need to unclip it from here and here. So if you've got strong nails, you can often use your nail, or you might want to use a metal tool or a plastic tool or even tweezers to get under there. So we want to go under this bit here. And we're just going to prise it up, and we're going to do the same on this side here and prise it up. And now gently we're just going to start working our way up. I'm kind of giving it a little bit of support as well, otherwise you might end up snapping these bits off. And you lift it all the way up and it comes unhinged from this top bit here. Now to get your replacement one, we're going to put these bits in first into here and here. So put them in like that, there, and then we're just going to press it into place bit by bit until it all clips nicely. And that's how easy it is to change. So if your one breaks, don't worry about it, just get yourself another one or get one in a different colour, and you can see it's a 1 minute job to do. Thanks for watching.